Hello, welcome back to day 3 of... Okay, so to recap, this week you are using your... So by the end of this lesson, you will be able... Okay, so just to recap some of the areas, today we are going to be writing what we would need in order to become a pirate. So the first thing that we will have to write is our heading for the instructions. So this set of instructions is how you would plant a sunflower seed. So the heading is how to plant a sunflower seed. Our header for our instructions would be how to become a pirate or how to be a pirate. The next thing that you're going to do today is to make a list of the things that you would need to become a pirate. So I would like you to write down 4 things in your list. So you will be writing 4 things down that you would need to become a pirate. So let's have a little think of some of the things that you might want to add to that list. You might want to write on your list of becoming a pirate treasure or bounty or money or jewellery, because that is what pirates really like to have. They wanted to have the most amount of money possible. You might also add a ship to your list. You might think, actually, in order to be a successful pirate, you need to have a pirate ship so that you can sail to different places and steal them bounty. You may decide that you want to add in the Jolly Roger, the pirate ship flag.
Okay,
so here is an example of how you could write your list of how to be for your set of instructions on how to become a pirate.
How to be a pirate. And when we write a heading, it's a little bit different to a sentence. We still need finger spaces and we do need capital letters, but we don't need full stops. And the capital letters need to be at the start of every word. It's a little bit different to a sentence, isn't it? So let's remember what our instructions are about. That's right, it's about how to be a pirate. So how, I'm going to start it here, how, use my capital, and then I'm going to do ow, brown cow, finger space, two is a red word. Now, I've accidentally done a small t, so I'm going to have to rub that out. That's a lowercase t, because every word in a heading starts with a capital letter, so I'm going to put a capital T there instead. How to be. So B is another red word. I need a capital B after my finger space. Capital B and then an E. How to be a. So I'll need a capital A. And because it is a heading, I can't fit pirate there, so I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to go in the middle so it looks nice and tidy. How to be a pirate. So I'll need a capital P. Pirate. If you have a ruler at home, you could use a ruler to underline. I don't have a big ruler, so I'm just going to try and draw the straightest line that I can. But if you have a ruler or something straight at home, you can draw a line underneath. So this is our title, How to be a Pirate. And today we are focusing on what we would need to be a pirate. So over here I'm going to do a heading, what you will need. Do a line underneath there again. Remember, if you have a ruler at home, it would look much neater. So what you will need. So I'm going to do bullet points. Remember, bullet points, they can be a circle, they can be a square. I'm going to do squares. Bullet point. The first thing you will need is, my pirate will need a hat. So they will need a pirate hat. Remember, I don't need a full stop on the end of here because this is part of my list. Just like with my headings, I haven't put a full stop because they are not sentences. A pirate hat. And then when I do another thing in my list, another thing you'll need to be a pirate, I'm going to do another bullet point and make mine into a square. You might want to do circles, you might want to do stars, you might want to do a line. I'm doing squares, so you need a pirate hat. My pirate will also need, if I want to be a pirate, I will also need an eye patch. Patch. I want to put 4 things on here, so I need to think of 2 more. If I was given some instructions, my pirate would also need, he would find a pirate hat, an eye patch, and a parrot. Because my pirate is going to be a rich parrot. He's going to have a parrot. Okay, and then one more thing. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I want 4 things on my list. What else you would need is, well, for me to be able to be rich to have my parrot, I'm probably going to need a fast pirate ship. So I'm going to put a fast ship. There we go. And there is my list of what I would need to be a pirate.
Okay, so your challenge today is to write your own heading for your instructions and a list of things that you would need to become a pirate. So you just need a piece of paper, write the heading on the top, and then on the side write a heading of what you will need and list down 4 things that your set of instructions will have so that you can explain how to become a pirate. Once you've written this, make sure you keep this piece of paper because tomorrow you will be writing your instructions on how to be a pirate. And don't forget that you will need these instructions on Friday for when you dress up as a pirate and you can practice your R's. Okay, well done. I look forward to seeing your instructions.